Okay, so now I'm going to show you how the apartment is from the inside. This is a 2-bedroom apartment with 2.5 bathrooms. Now, this over here is your kitchen. Amazing size of the bathroom. Let's check out the master bedroom. So hi, my name is Wakarr Rahiem. I have been selling real estate in this city of the beautiful Dubai for past 16 years now, since 2007. And I truly am passionate about how this desert has grown into what it has. So this passion of mine led me to brokerage, and after brokerage, not too long ago, I turned into an investor and I started investing in properties, not any property or not the traditional investment, but to buy properties, turn them into a masterpiece. And how do I do that? Is by refurbishing the kitchens, bathroom and whatever is required within the apartment. There is a lot to be done over here, not just by buying an offline property and waiting for it to be ready, but buying those properties that need a little bit of love, and this is where I specialize in. So this is going to be my second project. First one we did in Jumeirah Lake Towers in Concord Tower, where we bought a 1-bedroom apartment with a decent size of around 1500 square feet, turned into a 2-bedroom apartment and make 100% return on investment. Now we're going to start with this beautiful building. This is one of my favorite buildings and one of the first buildings to be ever built in Jumeirah Village Circle, developed by Al-Farah Properties, an Indian developing company, very popular for what they have done, very boutique development. And we're going to show you around the building, and then we'll take you upstairs into the apartment and show you the current state, and then step by step as you progress forward you'll get to know what is the progress and what we have done until the journey is completed of selling it back again. See you inside. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how the apartment is from the inside and going through some details. Come on in. This is a 2-bedroom apartment with 2.5 bathrooms. The tenant of the apartment recently vacated. It's a sad story what happened with the tenant, but let's just go out to the balcony quickly and have a look at the view first. Total size of the apartment is somewhere around 1500 square feet with a beautiful balcony starting from the living room, stretch all the way to the other 2 rooms as well. Comes with a guest toilet, semi-open kitchen, bathrooms big enough with both of them can be easily fitted out with a bathtub, and the kitchen is amazing. Come, let me show you inside. Alright, so let's have a quick look at what needs to be done. What is the vision of the apartment? So we look at the ceiling right now. It's quite a traditional ceiling. We got some ideas of doing a false ceiling, running around an LED light over here. Aircon units are going to be opened up, thoroughly cleaned, and see if there is any waterproofing that is required because of the condensing of the aircon or not. We see some spots over here, signs of some water leakages over here and over here. I believe this is where the aircon unit is, and that's why we have the water signs over here. This is a very beautiful space which separates the living room with the rest of the apartment. We got an idea of covering it up with a giant mirror over here. Gives you more space and a bit of more privacy. As I understand it, in this area you have the people who are more interested to buy the properties are more culturally engaged with home country. So I want to make sure that I give them the feeling of proper separation. Now this over here is your kitchen. So it's a completely closed kitchen with enough cabinet space all over, and then you have the fridge space over here, and so does you have the cooker space over here. Now notice this. This is good if it was a studio apartment, but definitely not for a 2-bedroom apartment. This can fit in not more than a 4-burner, and again you have the gas connection coming up over here, and people love gas. So the idea is to extend this space over here one way or the other, so we can at least put up a 6-burner stove over here with an oven. These tiles, all of it over here, we're thinking about changing the whole theme of the color, including the kitchen cabinet colors over here, and as well as fitting it out with a dishwasher, because that's also something super necessary now. Guest toilet. My thoughts on guest toilet is like the tiling of it, not the best one, definitely out of trend. And then on top of it, if you look at the wash basin over here, the height, I mean, like, I don't know, honestly speaking, why would someone do this? But anyways, it was done at that certain time period where people wanted to buy and they liked it. But definitely this thing has to go. 2 bedrooms, one and the second one over here. Bathroom ensuite. Amazing size of the bathroom, but I don't know, I just don't feel like having this anymore. I don't know, the moment I enter into an apartment bathroom and I see this whole bathtub concept, It just doesn't ring to me. I'd rather have a beautiful rain shower over here, partitioned up with the glass, and perhaps over here I would put a barrel for my ice baths. That would make more sense, but definitely not a bathtub. Same thing over here as well. The height of the basin is quite low, so we gotta fix that, and definitely the tiles have to go as well. We'll see what we can do. Ceiling height overall in the apartment is amazing. Look at that. It's just beautiful. And I'm lucky with this apartment considering the woodwork is good quality. All of this is excellent quality, although the building is almost 10 years old, but still it's surviving. That means whoever did it very well. We don't have any ideas apart from just polishing it up or varnishing it up, make it look a bit more prettier. But apart from that, this thing is completely usable. But definitely the wallpaper has to go. We'll think about what we do with the walls, but definitely we're putting up the false ceiling over here, run through an LED. Let's check out the master bedroom. Storage space is amazing in this apartment. You got another storage space over here. Look at this. More space. For whatever reasons. Come. The size of both the bedrooms, be it the master bedroom or the next one, quite identical. The major difference comes over here. Over there, you had the long built-in wardrobe. Over here, you kind of walk-in closets. Though the size of them are same. I mean, the ceiling height of the wardrobe is same. And then, of course, you have 2 doors over here and 2 doors over there. Over there, you had 4 doors. Same. Twin basins. Wow, look at this. I don't know. I mean, I know what this is. I know what this is as well. This is a complete failure of drainage system. But nevertheless, come in, Wasim. So this is your shower space, or should I say once upon a time shower space, covered up with glass. And then on top of it, you have the bathtub and twin sinks. This shows that this was designed to be a beautiful master bedroom bathtub. But then again, I'm not quite happy with the bathtub over here. So we're gonna take off this bathtub and I don't know, need to have a bit of a unique theme around with the bathrooms. We'll see what we do about it. But anyways, all in all, as I said, bathrooms have to go, kitchen has to go. The floor tiles throughout the apartment are quite nice. I like them. They're quite big. The color is something that I can live with for sure. In the bathroom, the floor tiles are okay as well. I don't see any point of changing them up, but definitely the rest of it has to go. Come. In the balcony, I see some signs of water leakage over here. I spoke to the building management and they told me that this was once upon a time water leakage that have been recovered now. But again, of course, they resolved the issue at the source of it, but whatever damage was caused because of that has not been resolved. So I'm going to look into that and speak to the building management and see if they are going to do something about it, or otherwise I'll just repaint the whole wall outside over here to make it look pretty. The doors are okay, but at the same time I know that these doors are old and we are missing the rubber fit outs over here that makes the door not soundproof or airproof. And during the summer, because of the humidity, it's going to kill the apartment. It's going to cause all kind of molds and moist inside the apartment. Overall, the apartment is beautiful. The build quality to the core of it is amazing. I see that very rare apartments come up in this building, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So keep watching. Next time when you're going to see us, we will be discussing about the plans, what you're looking to do inside the apartment, and perhaps give you a tour of the material overview that we are trying to push it in. And let's hope for the best. See you in the next one. Ciao.